everyone, this is Jennifer Haar. I will be your instructor this semester as we explore the fascinating world of medical terminology. So this will be your home page when you get into our classroom, and as you can see there's a lot of material here to look at, but this is kind of your starting point. You'll have your announcements right here on the left. Over to the right you'll have all your quick links to go to different areas. One I want to point out is the help desk right here, which is extremely helpful, and textbook resources. We're also going to be using what's called My Labs Plus right here, and this will be your quick link for that. The other thing I want you to notice is at the top, and we're going to explore these tabs in just a second, but this is your navigation tabs. This is going to take your course content. Here's our class discussions that we have each week that you're expected to participate in, Dropbox for turning your assignments, and assessments where your quizzes will be taking place in there. So that'll be right there. You can also look at your grades right here. So please be aware that this is kind of your navigation tool. So I want to show you My Labs Plus. This is a program to reinforce the key concepts, and you'll be assigned activities each week. The first time you'll have to go in, you'll have to sign the user agreement and log in. And what you're going to do is click Medical Terminology Interactive. And so what you'll be doing is you'll be this person, and you can come up with a name, try to use the same name each week, and you can set up male, female after your first initial one, and then you'll go on into the hospital here. And we're going to start at the elevator on the first floor because that's going to be our first unit, and come on out, and there'll be activities for you to reinforce the concepts that we're covering. So little different kind of games, ways to make it more fun to kind of make these terms and items and new vocabulary stick. So you'll play and you'll work your way through, and it will log your progress. So that's how you're going to navigate through here. You'd click Start to Start. And that's just an example. Now I'm going to close it for you. So go through, do all these fun activities, and then once you're completed, of course, you'll go back to the elevator and you'll go to your second floor and move on. All right, so that is My Labs Plus that you will be assigned each week. So I want you to start off when you enter our classes, go to the content area. And this is where you're going to work your way through. As you can see, everything is listed here for you. Click Start here. And there'll be some notes from me to read. And I also want you to, as you work your way through, so go through this table of contents, work your way through systematically. One thing you're going to find is the course schedule or pacing guide. It's very important that you print that out and keep it side by side, because this is going to be the things that, or the way that you're going to be able to stay on track, okay? And with that, you'll be able to know what's due when. Of course, your course information right here. And here's the schedule I was referring to. As you can see, in our first week, you're going to be doing your introduction. DQ stands for discussion question. You're going to be doing your commitment to learn form, upload that to your Dropbox, and then you're going to log into My Labs Plus to complete the first floor activity. So that is your first week that you'll be working on, and another key component of the first week is really get comfortable navigating around your course. To do that intro discussion, you're going to go to discussions here. Once again, it's that navigation tab up at the top. And this is where you're going to go ahead and post. And you'll post, down here a little bit further. That's where you're going to do any course questions, any techie tips you'll post up there, but here's getting to know you. You'll post your discussion right here. Click on that and write a post and introduce yourself to me as well as your peers. And you just click that by composing. All right. And the other thing is, we asked you the first week, besides the My Labs Plus and the discussion, is we asked you to fill out this commitment to learn and upload it here. This is called the Dropbox. So I had gone to the Dropbox to do that. And Then you can just, all your other tools are right here for you to access if you want to email. However you want to communicate with me is best for you. Like I said, phone calls are fine too, and you'll work your way through. So the biggest thing is remember that this is your navigation bar up here. Work your way through the courses. They are listed in systematic order for you to move on through. So please let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to working with you all, and keep in mind our online discussions. That is the key way that we interact and engage in our classroom. So it's very important that each week you are actively present in your discussions. Any questions or concerns, feel free to call or email me. Once again, my phone number is 720-898-0593, and my email and contact information is on your home page as well as underneath the course information. Once again, this is Jennifer Haar. I look forward to getting to know you this semester.